Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. We are looking at Fisker today, ticker symbol FSRN at the moment. We're going to be looking at a couple news articles and also my thoughts and opinions on the stock. Is it going to come back? Is bankruptcy happening next for FSR? Lots of people not answering these questions. So let's have a look at a few articles. Let's start off with looking at this. This is from Electric. Fisker Incorporated bankruptcy looms as latest SEC filing shows that it has defaulted on a $3.5 million loan. That is not good. That is showcasing bankruptcy is looming. So let's read into this a bit further. A recent 8K filing submitted by Fisker is painting a grim picture for the EV maker future. The filing states that Fisker failed to pay back a loan totaling close to $3.5 million last month, lowering a potential curtain on the second iteration of the company that is staring down the barrel of a potential bankruptcy. The saga of Fisker 2.0 continues, but unfortunately could be nearing its end, offering sunset on all ill-fated Ocean SUVs, an EV that came as close as you can get to making it. Very, very close for it to come out and for everyone to be getting one. It just didn't work out for them, and now they're on the brink of bankruptcy. Let's continue. We applaud Fisker for successfully launching its Ocean EV, but it was quickly moored by several software issues and lower than anticipated sales. To rebound, the automaker lowered its production targets several times throughout 2023 and even started pulling new demand levers to try and maintain liquidity. In March of 2024, Fisker's fiscal year 2023 detailed a grim image of substantial doubt. Substantial doubt it could continue, with talks of bankruptcy starting to float around. The American automaker shared a new strategy to secure financial backing from OEM partner. We saw those talks come and go, and Fisker has been fighting for its life to avoid bankruptcy since. Soon, Fisker's stock took a nosedive after it's halted its Ocean production at Magna Stirl in Austria and slashed tens of thousands of Ocean's MSRPs to liquidate its existing inventory of assembled vehicles. Appealing discounts be damned. The public has grown adverse to buying EVs from an automaker on the cusp of bankruptcy, and tens of thousands of reservation holders cancel their orders. Of course, people are going to cancel their orders if they can't service their cars, if they can't have software updates on their cars. That's a real risk, and why would you spend that much money if that can happen? In early May, we reported that Fisker's GmbH, the Austrian arm of Fisker Incorporated, had filed for reorganization and court protection from creditors overseas, a similar filing to Chapter 11 bankruptcy in the US, leaving Magna with a hole in its projected output numbers that were placed to be assembling Ocean EVs. I have also asked ChatGPT about this article, and let's see what its analysis is and see if it can bring anything different to us. Oh, not sure what's going on there. Let me try and fix that. There it is. So let's see. I've given it the article. We are having a few technical difficulties, so do bear with me. If you are enjoying this content, please do hit the like button, and I apologize for the difficulties. Here we go. The key news from this article: loan default. So this is the key information. 3.5 million loan defaulted, increasing financial strain. So that's the key point to take away. Obviously, that's not good. It's just showing us bankruptcy is happening next. The SEC filing. The SEC filing reveals the company's precarious financial position, production and sales issues. Persistent production delays and lower than expected sales have exacerbated financial troubles. Bankruptcy concerns. The default raises concerns about potential bankruptcy. I'm going to be looking at the stock and the charts very shortly on FSR as well. Impact on stock. There's going to be increased volatility. The stock is likely to experience heightened volatility due to bankruptcy fears. Investor confidence may decline, leading to potential sell-offs. Financial stability. Ongoing financial instability could deter from new investments. We have one more article we want to look at before we look at the charts. So let me bring this in as well and ask ChatGPT to do an analysis on it. Let's see if it can analyze this article as well. And then we'll be showing you the charts as well on FSRN. It closed Friday down 3%, and there could be a potential trade. So we'll get back to that right after we look at this news. Key information for the Fisker Ocean video. The performance of the Fisker Ocean boasts 564 horsepower, a range of 360 miles, and it can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in 4 seconds. What an amazing car. What a shame that the company's going bankrupt. Design. It features a stylish design with streaky tail lights, flared arches. So this was more of a review of the car. The impact on the stock. This was a news article sent in by MSK, an investor in the stock, I believe. The impact on stock. The positive aspects of the Fisker Ocean may improve investor sentiment. Sales potential strong. Features and competitive pricing could boost sales. So it's a double-edged sword here. The company looks like it's going bankrupt. They don't have enough money to keep operations going. However, because how good the car is and how good it looks and how good the reviews are, we've seen the Top Gear review as well, very similar from a proper reviewer, not MKHB, saying what a great car it is. So the car is great. We know the car is great. So the car's great, the financials aren't good. It does leave us with that thought in our mind: why wouldn't someone buy up the company and keep it going and put some money into it, save it from bankruptcy, or buy it out and keep it going? So that can happen. The likelihood is low, but that is still in the back of our minds. Looking at the chart here, we've had this parallel channel for a while. Obviously, we've been out of the stock. However, the parallel channel here has presented some opportunity. At the bottom, it's oversold, and the parallel channel at the top is overbought. So this has been coming from the lows to the highs, 480% up. Sell at that level to come down 66%. Buy at the bottom of the parallel channel, and then it's up another 260%. So that has been a way of trading it. Again, I don't give financial advice, so please don't take anything I say as financial advice. Where are we now? We're looking at below the parallel channel. What I always like to say is if you're below the parallel channel for more than a few days, then it's a little bit risky. However, if you get back into the parallel channel, there's no reason why this can't go back to 12 cents. So my money wouldn't be wholly in. I might be partially invested with a stop loss at around the levels of all-time lows, around 1.5 cents. So there is the potential. It is out of the parallel channel, but we've seen this. We've seen charts like this before, where it breaks resistance and it hugs it very closely. So I'll be selling a slight amount of my position because we're out of the parallel channel, but I won't be all out of this stock, because there is still that potential that we go to 12 cents. And if someone does buy it out, then we can be looking at going back to $1, for example, depending on the price they want to purchase this company at. Remember, the market cap right now is 67 million. It's a very cheap purchase for anyone who wants to buy it. So again, I'm still in. I'm not sure what happened to my light. I'm still in. I'm looking forward to seeing where the stock goes. The RSI is neutral. The MACD is not looking too bad. So I'm looking forward to see where the stock goes. I'm still invested, and I still have a slight amount of hope that this stock will make it. If you want to look at our other videos, then you can look up here for a playlist, and over here for any playlist or video that Martyn suggests for you guys to watch. So until next time, do take care of yourselves and each other.